Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are on our GTO giveaway video, giving away that Revell 69 GTO that was built on the channel. I built that to do a giveaway, obviously, just for appreciation for you guys tuning in, checking out the channel, and hanging out with me and following along. All that good stuff. Other than that, today's coffee is brought to you by Burger King, and it's usually pretty good. I'm more of a Mickey D coffee fan if I'm out and about getting something on the road, but this is usually pretty good. But today, I don't know what it is, but man, I think it'd make you grow hair in places you didn't think you could grow hair. Let's put it that way. So, but I'm nursing it, so we're almost done with it. But this is from breakfast. I'll put that down for a minute. So, I had 164 comments on this video for this car. So what I did is I went through and printed all of these off. So I have them all printed off, all like, I don't know how many pages, all that good stuff. So I did this for a couple reasons. E is easy for me to follow to see who's where, what's what. And B, so you guys can see, this is exactly the printout I have from everybody's comment sheets. So we have that. And also the second video I did, because we had that scammer out there that was asking for money and telling everybody that they won and all that good stuff. But, you know, like I said, I'll never ask you guys for money. I would never do that on a channel, ever. I have a job, you know, I make my own money. But I'll never ask for it. Let's put it that way. In that video, I did a public awareness video to let you guys know that, hey, there's somebody out there trying to tell you you won the car. That was all false and fake and all that good stuff. So I had 71 comments on that video. And in that video, I told you guys to put on what would you guys like to see built next. I told you I'd do another giveaway coming up sometime in the future. And what would you like to see built? I thought I'd include you guys on this one. So that one, you guys picked the new MPC Warlock, the Dodge Warlock model. Out of the 71 comments, there was 23 votes on that one. So there's quite a few different options out there. Another one that got 2 votes was a 70 Chevelle, like the John Wick car. 2 for the General Lee, good old General Lee, and 2 for the 86 Monty SS. I actually had that kit. I see somebody comment on video that they saw it sitting behind me, which yes, it was, because I was doing some rearranging, trying to get in a few kits in here, so I'm trying to make room so I can walk around a little bit. And I got thinking, you know, I almost thought about starting that one next, because I actually bought a bottle of the Black Cherry from MCW, and I'm just dying to put that on there. I thought that'd be such a cool, yeah. So I don't know, because I'm debating on which one to work on next after my Ranger. I've been working on the little Ranger here, and that one's got some videos coming up on that here pretty quick. So yeah, so I did the comments on that, and that was, like I say, appreciate you guys checking in on that as well. So I have a generator going on my phone. So like I mentioned before, that's how we're going to do it. Got a generator going. And I'd like to say I printed this out this way here. It'd be easier. You guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. And there's nothing in between. So I'm going to do is try to hit this, and we'll see who our magic winner is. So I'm assuming you could probably remember your number that you picked. So whichever number is picked, I'll look through the sheets, the comments real quick. And we'll see who takes this bad boy home. So like I say, now the number is going to be to the next number up. So if the number, like I said before, is 100 and you picked 80, and then another one was 101, 80 is going to be because we didn't go over 100. So it's the number coming up to it. If you go over the number that's picked, then that number is out. So it's the next closest number to it. So being said that, out of the 164, we'll see who takes the car home. So let me see if I can actually see this in a reflection of that one. So let me see what we got here. See if I can slowly hit the button here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go. Oh, 1797. That is our winning number. Is that all right? Yes, 1797. I'm trying to read it backwards in reflection of the camera. So that is our winner. So let me look at the sheets here. And let me see who took the win. So please hold. Beep. So I'm going to go through and pick out. Let's see what we got here. So I'm looking for something in the 17s. Please hold. Oh, we got one that's close so far, but hold on. I'm going through the sheets. Just a minute. Just a minute. Ooh, I got somebody that's like real close. Oh, we have one that is almost like right on the money. Looks like we have ourselves a winner on this one so far. Here to go. Hold on, guys. Slow, I'm sorry. Alright, guys. We have our winner. I'm just keeping it as fair as possible. I would actually like to have done this live, but my internet out here is not the greatest, so you would have really thought I was doing some kind of scam and stuff, because it had been like all glitchy and all that kind of stuff, and you're like, okay, what's this guy trying to do here? No. So hold on, let me get back here. Let me see. I'm just double checking everything one more time just to make sure, because I don't want to. You picked 1776 is my winner for my number. You guys can see that? So there we go. All right, my friend, get a hold of me and I'll get your mailing address. I might have your mailing address, but just in case, get a hold of me and I will go from there. So there's my winner for the car, and so yeah, I appreciate everybody that's put in on this, and we will go from there. So I will double check these numbers just to make sure, but in that case, I appreciate you guys checking out the channel and everybody that's entered into the giveaway. I appreciate it, guys. And I will get this in the mail to you as soon as I get an address, and we'll go from there. So congratulations, and thanks for everybody for playing along, and we will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.